What's up, guys? Today is Friday, October the 8th, 2021. Year's almost over. Holiday season is on us, and I have made some pumpkins. They're a secret, you can't see them yet, but I put a picture of them on my Instagram Wednesday. Video will be out Friday. Super simple project. Take you 20 minutes, maybe. I built two, along with videoing it. Took about 30, 45 minutes. Still gotta paint them, but I'll do that later. This week has been great. Been super easy. I finished up my planer cabinet. Video went out last Friday. If you guys haven't seen it, you need to check it out. I'll put a picture up here so you can see it. Guys, this thing turned out great. I love it. It is completely ridiculous. It is absolutely in no way needed, but when I look at it in my shop, it makes me happy. What more can you ask for? I built it the same color with the oak top, the same way that I did my drill charging station. If you haven't seen that, you need to check that video out too, because that thing turned out awesome too. But coming up after the pumpkins, I don't know. Got a few things that I need to do. Just depends on what my wife tells me to do. If you understand, you understand. But that's about it, guys. Been working through plans. I got the plans for the planer cabinet on the website and in Etsy. I'll leave a link to both in the description. Probably the next thing I'm going to do is going to be a dog food cabinet to put in our screened-in porch. I had talked about it before, but I've changed my mind. I wanted to do one cabinet with the dog food on one side and a garbage can on the other, but I started drawing it out, Fusion 360. You guys need to check that out. Started drawing it out, and I couldn't figure out a way to make that large of a space not look funny, so it was just too big. So I'm gonna do two different things. Be fine, be the dog food first. We've got dogs breaking into our porch and stealing the dog food, so we gotta take care of that. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Subscriber update. As of recording this, I have 97 subscribers. Probably, by the time you guys see this, I'll be at 100. So each and every one of you guys who have subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I wasn't expecting to get to 100 subscribers in the 7 months that I've been doing this. Based on whatever I have seen everyone else say, it takes a little bit longer than that. So you guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do it. Everybody else is, so you might well too. But I think that's it. If you guys got any questions, if there's anything you want to see me do, any tool I've got you want a review on, whatever you want. Worst thing that can happen is I can say no if I don't have it or can't afford it. Like a saw stop. I'm not gonna buy that right now. But anyway, I guess I saw a squirrel. Have a good day. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Every single time you play any of my videos, it means a lot to me. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you again next week.